Ever felt like your purchasing process is a tangled web, leading to missed deadlines, incorrect orders, and a general headache? You're not alone. Businesses of all sizes grapple with the complexities of procurement. But what if there was a way to streamline this entire process, bringing clarity, efficiency, and control to your spending? That's where NetSuite's purchase order, PO functionality steps in. Think of it as your central command center for all things purchasing. Instead of scattered emails, spreadsheets, and manual data entry, NetSuite provides a unified platform to manage the entire procure-to-pay lifecycle. Now, before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's understand why a well-defined PO process is crucial. Imagine placing orders without proper documentation. It's like navigating without a map. You risk ordering the wrong quantities, paying incorrect prices, facing delays due to miscommunication, and struggling to track your spending. A robust PO process mitigates these risks, providing a clear audit trail, ensuring accurate record-keeping, and empowering you to make informed purchasing decisions. So, how does NetSuite transform this potential chaos into a well-oiled machine? Let's walk through the typical purchase order process within NetSuite, highlighting its key features and benefits along the way. It all starts with a need. Perhaps your inventory levels are running low, a new project requires specific materials, or a department needs new equipment. In NetSuite, this need translates into a purchase requisition. An employee can easily create a requisition, specifying the item, quantity, vendor, and desired delivery date. This initial step brings visibility to the purchasing department, ensuring that all requests are formally documented and can be reviewed for approval. This brings us to the next crucial stage, approval workflow. NetSuite allows you to configure customized approval workflows based on various criteria, such as the amount of the purchase, the department requesting it, or the item category. This ensures that spending is controlled and that the right people authorize purchases before they are placed. Imagine a scenario where a large capital expenditure requires sign-off from multiple stakeholders. NetSuite's workflow engine automates this process, routing the requisition to the appropriate individuals for review and approval. This not only enhances accountability but also prevents unauthorized spending. Once the requisition is approved, it's time to generate the purchase order. With a few clicks, NetSuite transforms the approved requisition into a formal PO. This document contains all the essential details, including the vendor information, items ordered, quantities, agreed-upon prices, shipping address, and payment terms. Because NetSuite centrally stores vendor information, generating a PO is quick and accurate, minimizing the risk of errors associated with manual data entry. Now, communication is key. NetSuite allows you to easily send the PO directly to the vendor via email or even through electronic data interchange, EDI, for seamless integration with their systems. This ensures that the vendor has all the necessary information to fulfill the order accurately and efficiently. Furthermore, NetSuite keeps a complete record of all sent POs, providing a clear audit trail of when the order was placed and to whom. But the process doesn't end once the PO is sent. Tracking the order is vital to ensure timely delivery. NetSuite provides real-time visibility into the status of your POs. You can see if the vendor has acknowledged the order, when it's expected to ship, and any tracking information provided. This proactive approach allows you to anticipate potential delays and take necessary actions to keep your projects on schedule. As the goods arrive, NetSuite facilitates the receiving process. When the shipment comes in, warehouse personnel can use NetSuite to record the receipt of the items, matching them against the corresponding PO. This ensures that you receive exactly what you ordered and in the correct quantities. This receiving process also plays a crucial role in the subsequent three-way matching process, which is a cornerstone of strong internal controls. Three-way matching involves comparing three key documents: the purchase order, the goods received note, GRN, and the vendor invoice. NetSuite automates this process, ensuring that the information across these documents aligns before a payment is authorized. If there are any discrepancies, for example, if the quantity on the invoice doesn't match the quantity received or the price doesn't match the PO, NetSuite flags these exceptions, preventing incorrect payments. This automated reconciliation significantly reduces the risk of overpayment or fraudulent invoices. Finally, once the three-way match is successful, the vendor invoice can be paid. NetSuite integrates seamlessly with your accounts payable system, streamlining the payment process and allowing you to manage vendor payments efficiently. The system maintains a complete record of all payments made against each PO, providing a comprehensive view of your spending. Beyond these core functionalities, NetSuite offers several additional features that enhance the purchase order process. You can manage blanket purchase orders for recurring purchases, set up vendor performance tracking to evaluate supplier relationships, and generate insightful reports on your purchasing activities, providing valuable data for cost optimization and strategic sourcing decisions. Think about the time saved by automating these manual tasks, the accuracy gained by eliminating data entry errors, and the control you have over your spending with a centralized system. NetSuite's PO functionality isn't just about creating documents. It's about building a robust and efficient procurement process that contributes directly to your bottom line. It empowers your team, improves vendor relationships, and provides the visibility you need to make smarter purchasing decisions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.